Welcome back to my black and white staples series. In case you're new, basically what I'm doing is every week in this series, I'm introducing you to a classic staple that you probably already have in your closet and showing you a week's worth of outfit ideas. We're still in winter. Thank goodness it's almost over, but it's still here. So we're doing another black staple. If you don't subscribe already, make sure to subscribe. And now let's head to the black pleated skirt. One of my favorite ways to wear it is with a classic white button down. It's very Carolina Herrera and it works for the office, and you can even wear it to a night out. If you want to make it a little more casual and cozy, you can throw on an oversized sweater on top and then maybe add a pair of booties, so this is a more dressed down vibe. Another way to wear it with the white button down is you can throw on a vest for a pop of color. I like to belt mine to show off my waist since I'm on the shorter side, and then I just switch my camel booties for some black ones. Swapping the white button down for a white tee. Graphic tees are a fun way to dress down the pleated skirt, so you can throw on a denim jacket and add some sneakers for daytime. Then to dress up for night, swap the sneakers for booties. Yes, I'm back with my sock booties, I know, obsessed. So on top, I'm gonna ditch the denim jacket and instead do a patent leather. If you don't have patent leather, leather works just as well. And if you're not into red, you can just do black. Or add a pop of color with your belt. So that was a bit of an edgier way to dress it up. Now let's go more classic. So I love a simple crop top. I'm back in my black pumps. I know, it's cold. Okay, so let's not do the crop top. Let's do a black silky blouse. I love the way that there's a bow in the back. You can show off a pair of earrings like these pink ones. And then if it's a little cooler, you can add a sheer coat. So I hope that helped you with some outfit ideas when you're getting dressed this week. You can always ask me in the comment section below if there's any staples you want to see coming up in this series, but the trend guide is coming back. Yay, spring! So make sure to subscribe. You can always see more looks on my blog, SYDNESTYLE, and I will see you guys next week.